today I'm coming on to share with you my second scrapbook.com haul of the month, and I was able to pick up the Marigold collection, which is so gorgeous. It's not as good as Fresh Bouquet, but it's very beautiful, and it kind of reminds me of vintage Maggie Holmes. So Maggie Holmes when it was open book, like a couple of years ago, about 5 years ago. So this is the 12 by 6 sticker sheet, and this is the A side. So there's some beautiful florals on here, and I really like the animals in here. I know that she always does her swans, but the squirrels are a really cute addition, and she always has birds, but this kind of looks like a different bird, and houses. So it's very very Maggie Holmes, her style. And then on the back, she's got a deer, some more florals, an owl, which the owl's very cute. That's a very normal Maggie Holmes bird here, and then some labels and some dominoes down the bottom. So they're very, very cute, and I do kind of like the colours. It looks very, I would say, winter spring colour scheme. I also picked up the puffy stickers, which I'm not a huge fan of puffy stickers, but I did see a few weeks ago that you could turn them into charms. So you get some like glue remover on the back of them, and then you turn them into charms, and I really liked that idea, so I wanted to try it out. And these little pieces are so cute. Like the little squirrel is adorable, the bird, the swans, the florals, like they're going to be really cute as little charms, so I picked these up. Now this collection had 2 ephemera packs. So there's the floral ephemera pack, which comes with 5 embossed pieces, which I think are these ones up here. Yes, so there is these pieces up here, which are very, very pretty, but I think the embossing, I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera, but they're very, very pretty. I really like this one. This will be good to use. And the florals. Then there's also some vellum pieces, which I like these because they're not too big. That's a beautiful piece. And then these 5. So they're really pretty, but they're not too big, because an issue I had with Fresh Bouquet was that it was really, really big, and that's a lot of the issues that a lot of the collections are having lately. All the ephemera pieces are massive, and they're very hard to use, I find, because I love kind of having a whole bunch of little embellishments, and when they're so big it's really difficult to use. And then there is the pieces down the bottom, which they also look really, really small, so I'm very excited about that. So I'm just going to grab them out. So there's a floral, some leaves. It just looks like a whole bunch of different floral pieces in some really cute and tiny sizes, which would be really good for Happy Mail. I love that floral there. Like, there's so many different. So I was like, I don't understand why Fresh Bouquet didn't have a pack like this, because it's called Fresh Bouquet. This pack is, I really like this ephemera pack, because like I said, this is like the biggest piece that you get in there, whereas with Fresh Bouquet there was a floral that was the size of my hand, and I've had a lot of difficulty using it, so I really like this ephemera pack. Then they also have the just normal ephemera pack, which has your really, really big pieces in it. So there's this vellum piece, that's really nice. So I'm just gonna quickly show you them, because I'm sure you've seen them before. Like, that is a good size floral. Beautiful bow. And then some vellum pieces as well. So they're the smallest ones in the pack. And these are the bigger pieces, so it's so sweet. This little ampersand gold comes out. Another wreath. some tags. These ones I like to make into little shakers. There's another good floral. I really like that camera. The cool thing I'm liking lately is that a lot of the collections, and then a really beautiful vellum deer. I wish they had a chipboard deer like this, sorry, like a cardstock deer. And then there's these tear apart ones, which I quite like these. These will be nice to also turn into little shakers. I picked up another pack of like mini album page protectors. I actually forgot that I'd picked it up in the last one that I did, so I picked up another one. This is for going to be for my December daily or just an album that I choose to make. This was only like I think $5, so that's a really good price here in Australia. I also picked up some specialty papers. So I picked up the Fresh Bouquet specialty paper because it's a really nice vellum with gold foil, but the florals on it are just so tiny and petite that they're going to look really cute on everything that you use it on. And I thought that this would be really nice to make some sort of like pocket out of, so I picked this one up. So I picked up the Heritage specialty paper, which is just a really nice glitter circle, and I thought this would be really nice for my December daily as like my introduction page, but then also just to make some really pretty embellishments with. So I picked this one up. And I've just gone back and looked. I only ordered one, but they actually sent me 2 of the Fresh Bouquet specialty ones, so I won't have to hoard it and I can use it. These are the papers that I picked up. So this is the Marigold Sweet Sunshine. This is the A side. And then the B side, I actually really like this blue. I'm loving using blue lately. I just think that it's very versatile and it can look very girly but also very neutral. So I picked up this one. Then I picked up the Marigold Magical Moments, which I just really like to get cut aparts. So there is the A side. And then the B side is also some really nice constellations. Then I picked up the Stay True from Marigold as well. I love this one and I think it'd be cool to do like watercoloring on the paper. So it's the A side. And then that's the B side. I really love this paper here. I love the colour of like this mustard gold. I think it's really pretty. Then I picked up the Marigold Becoming. So this is the A side with some beautiful florals in that nice blue colour. And then the B side is just a nice neutral background. Then I got the Marigold Best Day. This is the A side. This reminds me very much of kind of like a bigger version of the, actually I think I picked it up. Or maybe I didn't. A bigger version of the Heritage one that they have that kind of looks like this, but this is the A side. And then the B side, I don't love that in the center, so I probably will just stick to this side. This is the Good Life, which is another sticker sheet, and I love the little tags across here. D is for deer, that one's beautiful. P, pretty pear, so sweet. I love this one. And that's the B side, which is just a really nice checkered. Then this is Full of Grace from Marigold as well. Some beautiful florals in some nice muted colours. I love muted colours. Like I've said before, Fresh Bouquet is my favourite collection, and then after that it would be Heritage. I just love the muted colours of it, and this one I think is definitely more, I like this more than Heritage, but because it's a little more girlier. So there's this one here, and then that's the B side. And then I also picked up Freshly Picked from Marigold. This one's also really nice for making even a layout. And then that is the B side. I also picked up the 12x12 chipboard. So there's some really pretty houses, and then florals, heaps of florals, and some really nice accent ones. And these aren't too big because if you look at the Heritage one, some of the pieces are like this big, like all of them are this big, whereas this one has some nice smaller ones, which I really like. So this is just really, really pretty colours as well as nice vintage look. I also picked up another one of the Fresh Bouquet ones because I love Fresh Bouquet. It's my favourite collection. So I wanted to have some more 12x12s to use with it. Like my favourite, I love the word love. The florals are beautiful. The little bunny. All of just the little accents I love and adore. Then just to round out my order, I picked up the 8.5 by 11 page protectors. This is what I do most of my layouts in for scrapbooking. I do just use the scrapbook.com brand. I think they're really nice quality, so I picked those up. And then I also picked up the Style 4 Project Life ones. This is just the style that I like to use the most, and if I sometimes I use my fuse tool and I fuse down there and I cut that side off, so it's a 9x12. Really like these. It's just a really nice quality. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned to see what I make with this haul. Bye, guys.